My favorite color is blue. My friend come over and my dad came out in just a towel and chased him down the street. And he made the best pancakes. For these pancakes, really simple. You got your salt, your sugar, your flour, 2 eggs. I bought pure vanilla from Madagascar. You ever seen the movie? Everyone's happy. Melted butter, that gives it a nice, sort of like a buttery flavor. Sprinkle in just a touch of your eggnog. There's nothing better. You know, 1867 was an important year. A poor family, it used to be a poverty meal, and pancakes were born. Then we got your compote, mostly strawberry, brown sugar, a little bit of water to get the ball rolling, bring it to a simmer, just let it thicken up. You're gonna be left with the most beautiful sauce for your pancakes.
Why not just put syrup on it?
If white kids ever got bullied at school, I would invite their bully over to the house, along with the bully's father and the bully's mother, and we would all eat pancakes together. And afterwards, we would have a group hug, and then after they're all done, I'd tell them what's really in the pancakes. And let me tell you, it's not gonna be eggnog. I know these pancakes are missing actually is a little bit of maple syrup.